Hello, guys, very good day. Welcome to Knowledge Power. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, we are going to tell you how quickly you can clear the cache. That is especially helping for the gamers and the people who are using computer a lot. So, they do have a lot of running application on the back that can consume your RAM and the power. So, you just need to go to this application. It is certified by Microsoft itself. You need to install it. I can put this link in the description below. Once you download the file, let it be downloaded. You can go to your taskbar and you can see how much the cache your computer is using now. You just need to go to the memory. Not actually here, yeah. Here you can see it is cache consuming 4.1 GB. And once you install this app, I can show you how quickly it can reduce the cache. Let me just install it. It's still downloading. I hope it would be done in a minute. Okay, so it will help people who are using computer a lot. They do have many applications that is running on the back and can make your system slow. Finally, it's downloaded. Let's go to the folder and extract it out. It will not take much time. It's a very small application. Now you need to go to the exe file and install this thing. Yes, it is about to be done. Yes, perfect. Now let me keep that memory app also side by side so you can easily see how much the cache it is reducing. All you need to do, just as you can see now how much it is consuming, you go to empty and then empty standby list. Now you can see it is reduced a lot. It only shows 302 MB. You can try this once you are on your PC and you can feel the difference of the speed of your computer. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.